Welcome to Atmiya Education's podcast. My name is Nishpra Dua. I have my colleague Ashwini Gauli with me. Here we are to discuss MBA opportunities, which includes Georgian National University SU and Massachusetts Institute of Technology. But let's be honest, is it really worth it or just marketing? So, my first question to you will be, what is this partnership all about?
See, SU Georgia National University provides the MBA program and which gives the student an international exposure, and including it also has a 3-week entrepreneurship program at MIT. Okay, so which calls the Start MIT.
Okay, but a 3-week program, is it really valuable?
It is really a good question. It's not only about the duration; it's about the exposure which student will get. So I can say that the student will learn from the experts like the Bill Ollett, and which will only focusing on the practical startup building and not just in theory.
All right. So, is this more useful for students who are much interested in startups?
Yes, we can say yes, but
Mhm.
especially for the corporate careers, they can boost their resume by just giving the startup ideas. Even they can learn from the experts and they can get a very good exposure, global exposure, I can say.
All right. I have one more question, Ashwini. What about the MIT Orbit platform, which everyone is talking about?
It is an advanced AI learning tool which is used at MIT. And it is a very good thing that our students, SU Georgia National University students, will get access to it, where they can identify the risks at very early stage. They can generate the business ideas, they can test them, and before starting their business, they can identify it is a profitable or it is a loss.
All right. That sounds great. Now, tell me one thing, studying in Georgia, is it worth it?
See, nowadays Georgia is becoming a very popular options for each and every one students, right? It is a dream college for everyone right now. Why? Because cost of living is very low, affordable universities, plus the technology is very high. The modern technology they get used to it, which is very badly we can see in the all these three things in one university.
Mhm. Now, let's address the bigger question. Getting admission in countries like UK, USA, Canada is tough. Is that true?
Yes, in most of the cases, when we talk about the US, UK, and Canada, we can say that applying stage is very hard because over there the IELTS or the TOEFL, the scores which to be needed is very higher. Okay, if your scores are very high, the band width is above 8 or 9, then you can get an admission over there. Plus, you should have your strong statement of purpose where you address why you are going there, why you want to apply. Plus, you should have a very strong work experience into your CV, which shows what skills or what advantage you will give to that university after passing out. Plus, over there, they used to provide the letter of recommendations.
Mhm.
Okay, there are many things. And second thing, most important, the cost of living, it's very higher.
Mhm.
Yes, and the visa are the most challenging parts.
Okay, Ashwini. Now, my another question is, how is admission in Georgia different than the other countries?
See, Georgia has a very easy, friendly process where we can start the application at very early stage. The visa success rate over here is very easy, and plus point over here there is no language barrier like other countries, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, which has.
Mhm.
Okay, so over here the 100% English taught program are
Awesome.
available. Plus, seeing the student get if you are taking admission in for MBA in SU Georgia National University, then it is a plus point for you to cover your expenses. You has the legal access to work up to 40 hours per week.
That's great. That's really, really great.
Yeah.
And how can we compare it financially?
See, when we compare Georgia with USA, UK, as I told you earlier also, it is the cost of living over there in Georgia is very low as compared to USA, UK, or Canada. Plus, Georgia comes under the 6FS country.
Mhm.
So your student or your child will be very safe. And the third point is mainly that it is a very fastest growing economic in the world right now.
All
So
right.
students should look towards the Georgia now.
Hmm. Tell me, Ashwini, what are the courses available under those programs?
There are multiple options available in Georgia National University SU,
Mhm.
but mainly are MBA, Executive MBA, Business Analytics, Data Science, Artificial Intelligence, which has many scopes right now. You know, the human beings are replaced by the robots right
Mhm.
now, right? Plus FinTech. So we have the program available with us. You just have to fill the form, give the interview process, and just apply it for the MBA program.
That sounds really great. Now, Ashwini, my final question is, who should actually consider doing MBA?
See, the student who really wants a global exposure,
Mhm.
and Georgia is very easy pathway for them. If they
Right.
start a career in Georgia for the MBA program, they
Mhm.
can complete their another year in USA. See, you can never get a direct admission for the USA colleges.
Correct.
But if you want to fulfill your dream, and then you can choose the easy pathway which
Mhm.
has Georgia. Nowadays, it is very affordable. The university provide a good amount of scholarships. Plus, over there, you can get a good career boost in business, entrepreneurship, fintech.
Mhm.
So, I think you should look forward.
Okay. So just sum it up. Don't look at degrees, don't look at anything, look at skills, look at your exposure, then opportunities you all are getting. All right? Stay tuned for more.